Malay mo, this could change your life the way it did mine. Hi guys! Alam niyo ba, 6 years na ako as a part-time financial advisor? And honestly, ang dami ko nang realize na di ko in-expect sa journey na to. Before this, I was a teacher, a call center agent, and now a virtual assistant. Nung nag-start ako sa Pru, gusto ko lang naman ng extra income. And I want to know the legitimacy of Pru Life UK kasi I'm a policy holder. Let's face it, 'di ba? Sino bang ayaw ng dagdag kita? But you know what? It became so much more because I got to travel for free. Imagine, while I'm working from home, nakaka-experience din ako ng adventure. Something that I never thought I'd do. And you know what's even better? This helped me to get out of my comfort zone. Ang saya kayang makipag-socialize. I was also able to meet new people and help others to achieve their financial goals. Plus, flexible yung oras ko dito. Bagay na bagay kung may full-time job ka or if you're a parent or even a business owner. So, bakit ko ba ito sinasabi sa'yo? Kasi maybe this is your sign. Kung gusto mo ng extra income, time flexibility, or the chance to grow personally and professionally, baka ito na yon. At ikaw na nanonood, message me, let's chat, and let's see if being financial advisor is the right fit for you.